What if you could wake up every day with purpose and passion? Meet Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese...
That video you just watched? Created in under 2 minutes. No professional camera. No editing software. Meet Deepagent, your AI-powered video creation partner that turns ideas into viral content faster than you ever thought possible. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos just like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to abacus.ai. Now, click on Abacus AI Deepagent and sign in. Now, here's what makes Deepagent different from every other AI tool. It doesn't just generate content. It understands what you're trying to create. Now let's create something incredible, just like that Ikigai video you watched. Type, create a 30-second YTube short video about the Ikigai framework, finding your reason to wake up. Just a simple line and click on Generate. Now Deepagent starts to generate. It's thinking, planning, and processing. You don't have to know AI prompt engineering because Deepagent asks you the most relevant questions for professional output. Just read the questions and reply according to your needs. Would you like high quality or standard quality video? I'll go with standard quality. Then they ask about using image stills in the video. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Ask for a narration style? I'm going with voiceover narration. This is where most people mess up with AI tools. They give vague prompts and expect miracles. With Deepagent, specificity is your superpower. Now click on Generate. Okay, here's your script, ready. You can edit it. I'm going with this script. Now it generates scene-by-scene video planning. Just check it and give a nod to move forward. It's not just generating random footage. Deepagent is crafting a narrative structure with a hook, body, and call to action. Selecting visual elements that match your message. Timing transitions to maintain engagement. Optimizing for the platform you're targeting. Adding music that enhances without overpowering. Now, your draft is ready. Let's check it.
What if you could wake up every day with purpose and passion? Meet Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese concept meaning your reason for being. It's found at the intersection of 4 elements: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When these align, you discover true fulfillment. Find your Ikigai and transform your life. Start exploring today.
It's really mind-blowing. Without touching any software, your video is ready to go. Deepagent isn't a one-and-done tool. Here's where you become a true creator. The customization phase. Just type, change this Ikigai image in this scene. Deepagent asks what kind of change I want. I type, a female is typing in Japanese. Calm mood. Ikigai is written in Japanese. Deepagent is regenerating the image. It's done.
What if you could wake up every day with purpose and passion? Meet Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese concept meaning your reason.
Like this, 1 or 2 iterations take 2 to 3 minutes. Same core content, different packaging. That's how smart creators maximize their content. Deepagent also helps you with captions and subtitles, essential for social media where 85% of videos are watched without sound. Aspect ratios, automatically formatted for vertical, 9:16, or horizontal, 16:9. Branding elements, add your logo, color scheme, or watermark consistently. To get platform-specific optimization, I'm typing, give me a title, thumbnail, and tags for this video. And boom, with your pro-level video, your optimization is also ready. Watch this thumbnail. It's ready to use. You'll get 3 clickable titles. Essential tags and descriptions are included. No need for an extra tool. No need for research. It's an all-in-one tool. Let's talk about Deepagent's advanced features. Image to video. You can upload your own images or audio with lots of language options. Deepagent will seamlessly bring them to life. I want to create a Feynman technique breakdown video. I can upload a picture of an avatar, and Deepagent will animate it to explain the concept. Click on Generate. It starts generating. Let's watch it.
Want to learn anything faster? Try the Feynman technique. Step 1. Pick a topic you want to master. Step 2. Explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. Use simple words, no jargon. Step 3. Find the gaps.
It perfectly syncs the visuals with your message, making educational content feel dynamic. If it feels boring, you can also add images. For that, I say, add subtitles and images. Make this avatar small and position it in the corner. Now see the output.
Want to learn anything faster? Try the Feynman technique. Step 1. Pick a topic you want to master. Step 2. Explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. Use simple words, no jargon. Step 3. Find the gaps.
Really, it's mind-blowing and more engaging. Feature 2. Script to video. Let's say I have a complete script about dopamine detox, resetting your brain. I simply paste it into DeepAgent and it does the rest. Boom, it's ready.
Your brain is being hijacked. Every scroll, every like, every notification floods your brain with dopamine. You're addicted. Here's the brutal truth. Your focus is destroyed. Your motivation is gone. The solution? A 24-hour dopamine detox.
No manual editing, no hunting for stock footage. Just paste and create. Feature 3. Auto mode. Here's where it gets wild. Feeling lazy? Don't want to do deep research or write detailed prompts? No problem. Just tell DeepAgent, create a 15-second video about atomic habits, 1% better every day. That's it. One line, no extra details. And boom, DeepAgent handles everything. Researches the topic, writes the script, finds the visuals, adds music and transitions, optimizes it for YouTube shorts or reels. Check the output.
1% better every day. Sounds small, right? But here's the magic. Improve just 1% daily for a year, and you'll be 37 times better.
As I said, only video, so it's generated in 16:9 ratio. Your video is ready to post in minutes. It's like having a full production team on autopilot. Let's talk about who's actually using this and how. Content creators, pumping out daily YT shorts and reels without burnout. One self-improvement creator went from posting twice a week to daily. Their engagement tripled. Coaches and educators, turning complex concepts into digestible content. Students and learners, creating study content using techniques like the Feynman method. They're not just learning, they're teaching others, building an audience, and even monetizing their knowledge. Mental health advocates, breaking down psychological concepts into accessible reels. Side hustlers, building personal brands in the self-improvement space. They're creating content consistently and opening doors to courses and coaching opportunities. The common thread? They're all creating more, faster, and better than ever before. Here's the bottom line. Video content isn't optional anymore. It's the language of the internet. And DeepAgent? It's your unfair advantage. You now have the blueprint. You know the steps. The only question left is, what are you going to create? Get started at deepagent.abacus.ai. The link is in the description. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy creating.